and you're about to have a great time. I've got tons of great PBS Kids videos. Let's pull the lever to watch my picks of the week.
Dragon!
Yeah.
Rebecca! Kids, it's time for
Rebecca!
Rebecca.
Hey guys, my name's Charlie. And that's Charlie with 3 Y's.
Ready to go! Boys and girls, it's Clicky!
I'm back! What's up, Jack? It's Clicky on the mic with the safety rap. 1, 2, 3, dance with me, Clicky, and I like to rhyme. So before I go, say it one more time. Check first, pick a friend. Tell people no and tell a trusted adult. Now you're ready to go. I'm out. See ya online.
Next is kids.org.
Bonjour les amis, ça va? C'est moi, Mickey. Eh, vous voulez venir voir tous vos amis? C'est super, en avant!
Allez, venez les détectives!
Allons-y!
Bounce Patrol!
Check out the bands to Chapter 1's voice lines. Check McFarlane's Check out the bands to Chapter 1's voice lines.
Juntos damos pequeños grandes pasos y Alacta Plus nos acompaña en cada uno de ellos, como nos recomienda su pedido.
¡Eso es el caca! ¡Ah! ¡Amor!
¿Qué pasa, Casimucho?
¡Pau está teniendo bebés!
¿Qué? ¡Casimucho! ¡Son muchos pausitos! ¿Y ahora qué vamos a hacer?
¡Paus! ¡Barato los paus! ¡Lleve su pau!
¡Sí, señor!
Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the
Candid Island?
Yes.
He went to Candid Island!
Let's see, he found...
Straw huts occupied by vision.
You challenged him to a high-stakes game of poker and won!
You got him to chase you up a cliff and lost him in a series of caves. You outsmarted them with your superior intellect and took over their crew.
You lit the huts on fire and used the smoke to signal reinforcements!
You took all their swords and bent them into a jungle gym.
The end.
That was the best story.
Council President, Panini!
Bring it home, Panini! Make Mama proud! What?
Ceviche?
Way to go, Todd! We salute you with our thumb!
Give me a W. Give me a Z. Give me a 7. What's it spell?
Keeper is here. Let's go. Excellent job. You hatched your first pet.
Happy 4th of July. I'm Simon today. Welcome to Far Hawaii. Here's a chocolate fun man. This little cream, this man, September, and yeah, you are. And now, time for the 4th of July. And next, time for set our backdrop.
Ja, baby,
That's a good show. Today, welcome for 4th of July for Billy Show Actives.
The coward of the county.
Thank you. Now, time for the Billy Show. That's 4th of July.
It's not too late to whip it, but whip it good.
And now it's time to for the say.
Horse in a star-spangled rodeo, like a rhinestone cowboy.
That's great if you want. Today, we're gonna make Billy sing the cat.
All along. Huh.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Hello, Miss Accordion. Listen to our music. Everyone,